Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, heart racing, only to realize the vivid dream that stirred your soul was about food? Not a monster under your bed, not a mysterious lover, just a plate of steaming rice or a melting scoop of ice cream. It sounds strange, doesn't it? But food dreams can be some of the most symbolically powerful visions we receive. What if that dream about eating an apple wasn't about hunger at all? What if your soul was trying to send you a message? Now, here's the daring question. What if your food dreams are sacred whispers from your subconscious, echoing through centuries of cultural memory, spiritual need, and unspoken desires? The premise is irresistible, hidden messages encoded in something as mundane as dinner. But across time and cultures, food has always been more than nourishment. From Eve's fateful bite of the forbidden fruit to the Last Supper, food has been sacred, symbolic, and transformative. Dreaming of food is never just dreaming of food. It's dreaming of connection, guilt, abundance, loss, temptation, and healing. Across different cultures, food in dreams is layered with meaning. In many Eastern traditions, rice is seen as a symbol of prosperity and family unity. Dreaming of cooking rice might indicate a desire to restore harmony in your home. In the West, bread often symbolizes spiritual nourishment and the mundane made divine. Think of the Eucharist. Dreaming of breaking bread may reflect a deep yearning for communion, forgiveness, or community. Meanwhile, dreaming of forbidden or indulgent foods, like chocolate, cake, or wine, can suggest suppressed desires, unresolved guilt, or a craving for emotional satisfaction. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, believed food dreams were often masks for deeper, unspoken needs. A dream about gorging on cake might not be about sugar at all, but about the love you feel you're missing, or the joy you haven't allowed yourself to feel. But there's more. In African and Caribbean spiritual traditions, dreams involving food can be messages from ancestors. If you see yourself feeding someone or receiving food from a mysterious figure, it might be a visitation, an offering, a warning, or a blessing from the spirit world. The dreamscape, after all, is not bound by the rules of the physical world. Food in dreams doesn't nourish the body, it feeds the spirit. It may represent transformation, raw ingredients turning into a meal, a metaphor for your own inner growth. It may mirror your emotional state, rotten food pointing to toxicity, sweet fruit suggesting fertility, or communal feasts revealing your longing for belonging. Here's a practical lens. Keep a dream journal. Next time you dream about food, write down what it was, how it made you feel, and who was there. Were you eating alone or serving others? Was the food hot or cold, fresh or spoiled? Context matters. Over time, patterns emerge. You may realize that every time you feel emotionally starved in real life, your dreams feed you a lavish banquet. Interpreting food dreams isn't about decoding a mystery, it's about listening. It's about tuning into the metaphors your soul uses when plain words won't do. Food is one of the oldest forms of spiritual language. It nourishes not only the body but also the stories we tell ourselves. Your dreams might be reminding you of what you truly hunger for. So now I ask you, what food have you been dreaming of lately, and what do you think your soul is really craving?